So this video is regarding the rates feature of Bird app. As you can see, I'm right now on the onboarding page, and if you check the shipping rate section in Shopify, so it will look something like this. Here right now I have configured Canada Post for the shipping rates, and just for the reference I'm showing this. I'll connect this at the end of the video. So let's move forward. So right now I have one pickup rate configured here. From 0 to up, it is 0 rate. I can edit it, delete it, or add my own rates. And I can also configure the rates based on different conditions. It can be based on weight, it can be based on selected day, it can be based on order day, Monday or Tuesday or Thursday. It can be based on urgency, it can be based on a particular date such as Valentine's, and you can combine multiple conditions as well. So moving forward, so similarly the delivery rate can also be configured. Right now it is configured as from 0 to infinity, and the delivery we are charging is $10. And I continue the setup. Once I click these two check boxes, I can finish this setup, and once the setup is finished, I can see pickup and delivery rates are here. If I go to my live store, right now I have selected local delivery here. I have entered a postal code in order to validate whether delivery is available or not. Then I selected a date and I'm clicking checkout. So once I move to the checkout page, and if I enter address, this will show me the delivery rate so that we have just configured. So right now it's delivery $10. So if I go back and instead I choose store pickup and move to the checkout, so now this will show the store pickup rate that we have configured. So now this will show store pickup rate. And since we have configured Canada Post as well for the shipping, I can click on shipping and go to checkout, and this will now show me the Canada Post rates. So as I can see, Canada Post is here, and if I reload this page, you will see there are few rates that are created by Bird app. Those are with the square brackets. Please do not edit or delete these rates here. You can add, edit, or delete other rates that you have, and please avoid touching these one with the square bracket. Also, you can see this error sometimes in the checkout. So we have created a document for this. I'll create a separate video for this. So if you see this kind of error, please refer to this document. I'll attach it at the end of the video. Thank you. Thanks for your time.